How to improve CRM adoption. Make Zoho CRM part of everyday workflow. In this video, you'll learn why CRM adoption often fails after implementation, practical ways to improve daily usage, how to make Zoho CRM part of real team workflows, why workflow fit matters more than training alone, how businesses can get better value from Zoho CRM, why do CRM projects fail? Many businesses invest in CRM, but teams still don't use it properly in daily work. Training alone is not enough. The adoption gap. Workflows get skipped, updates are delayed, and follow-ups continue manually. That's why CRM adoption stays low. The truth is, CRM only works when it fits naturally into how your team already works. Zoho CRM can solve this, but only when it becomes a natural part of how your team works every day. To improve adoption, Zoho CRM focuses on businesses need practical workflows, role-based setup, simpler daily processes, better team alignment, and real usability. At Abiaz, we help businesses build Zoho CRM systems teams actually use. If you want to improve CRM adoption, book a consultation with us.